According to NON-FUNGIBLE.com, in the first quarter of 2021, the general capitalization of major NFT projects increased over 2,100%. In the past year, the total market growth was only 300%. Many NFT tokens are sold instantly, and the most popular ones were sold approximately for $70 million. Websites or marketplaces that work as platforms for NFT trading help to simply the purchasing and selling of the NFT, and in doing so, earn a share in NFT sales. In this video, we will shortly discuss what is NFT and where it can be applied, how to develop your own NFT marketplace, and how much it costs. What is NFT? A non-fungible token, or NFT for short, is a piece of digital content associated with the blockchain. NFT can be text, images, audio recordings, domain names, trading cards, and in-game items. Each element of an NFT is unique and cannot be replaced with another object. This is why we call such assets non-fungible tokens. This means that NFT is different from Bitcoin and Ethereum, so they cannot be traded or used as a payment method. For example, the CryptoPunk 4250 NFT is a proprietary rights certificate for a unique character that exists in the digital world, and according to the description, is a pixel image of a punk woman wearing welding glasses with disheveled hair and purple lipstick. This lot sold for $134,357 on Larva Labs. There is another example of an NFT with a ridiculous worth. The NFT, a picture of a cute girl that smiles in front of a burning house. This picture is called the Disaster Girl meme. The 21-year-old American Zoe Rott, the girl in the photo, sold the meme for $500,000. As you see, NFT can bring you insane amounts of money. Some tokens are more attractive. This is why people tend to spend more on them, while the others are sold very cheaply. Everything is simple. If the token is something popular, it is expensive. What is an NFT marketplace? Unlike with Bitcoin and Ethereum, you cannot trade your tokens directly on crypto exchanges. To buy and sell NFT, you will need a special platform that helps to release, store, and trade non-fungible tokens. This platform is referred to as an NFT marketplace. Today, the most popular marketplaces are OpenSea, Rarible, Superfarm, and Mintable, where you can find everything from art to domain names. Other platforms are built for particular niches and focus on selling certain assets. For example, Valuables lets you sell and buy tweets. You've probably heard that Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey sold his first tweet at auction as an NFT. Niche NFT marketplaces focus on a defined target audience and solve specific problems, which is something you want to consider when creating your NFT marketplace. How does an NFT marketplace work? On the client side, NFT marketplaces work like regular online shops. The user needs to create an account on the platform and a digital wallet to store NFT and cryptocurrencies. Then the user can use any listing to buy NFT or create their token. The launch of an NFT is simple and looks like creating an eBay ad. You will need to state the name, price, a brief description, and an image, photo, video, GIF, and others. On such a platform, all types of NFT can be offered at a fixed price or sold at auction. On your part, it is a bit technical. NFT are implemented using smart contracts. Each token comprises a set of unique information metadata recorded in its smart contract, and chain units provide for an NFT in variability and security. To build an NFT marketplace, you need to create a token protocol, usually on the Ethereum network. A token protocol is a special group of smart contracts that implements certain trading platform functionality. In addition, a token protocol integrates with the marketplace system. Main features of an NFT marketplace. Before you start putting your NFT marketplace together, there are some basic functions that must be present on the platform. You could go even further to make your niche more convenient and give your website visitors a great user experience. Consider starting from the following things when you develop your own NFT marketplace. Shop window. This function offers users to check all the necessary information on the lot: name, price, description, owner, payment method, rating, etc. Some NFT marketplaces give additional information on the blockchain and the token protocol so that the users see if the NFT is valid. Search engine. Be sure that your users can easily find the item they need. It would be a good idea to divide various assets into categories such as art, photography, video, domes, memes, and music, so the users will navigate easily on the platform. The filters help to sort the things, especially if there are a lot of similar items. Sign up/login. To sell and buy NFT on the platform, the user should create an account. The sign-up process is usually done through emails, phone numbers, or social media accounts. Usually, users are offered to state their cryptocurrency account. If they do not have one, they sign up via Coinbase wallet or other cryptocurrency wallets. Listing creation. Creating a collection should be simple and fast. On the screen for creating a collection, users should be able to upload a file and enter the token information such as a name, description, and tags. Listing status. This feature will be useful for sellers going through the collectible validation process. By checking the listing status of items, sellers can check the verification stage of their goods. NFT wallet. The users need a wallet to send, get, and store NFT tokens and cryptocurrencies. The easiest solution is integration with popular cryptocurrency wallets. The main thing is that the wallet supports your NFT protocol. Normally, it could be My Ether wallet, Coinbase, or Wallet Connect. Buying and auctioning. Building a convenient auction system is one of the key stages in the development of an NFT trading platform. Be sure to include an expiration date for auctions. This way, you give users additional control over their bids. In addition, an auction watchlist allows users to track current bids, reviews, and ratings. This feature will be useful for new users who don't know which NFT to choose. Usually, the rating is a score of 1 to 5 or a like or dislike. The reviews can be like comments that any signed user can leave. The review can also be left by both sides after closing the deal. It will also prove the reliability of sales leaders. Support. This is a crucial aspect of any trading platform. The support service will help the users to find answers, solve their issues and confrontations. It can be a call center or email support, informational platform, or chatbot. Non-fungible tokens standard. To run an NFT based on blockchain, you will need to follow a range of requirements that guarantee the asset works properly and have the necessary functions of an asset. Today, the most popular standards for NFT launch include ERC 721. This is used as a unique modification for someone or something based on Ethereum. It supports smart contracts and offers a wide range of tools for asset transferring by using the transfer from method. ERC 1155. This one is not just a standard unique asset, it is a class of assets. In comparison with the ERC 721, it is much more effective. If you are a game developer and your goal is to sell 100 armor sets, you will need to write 100 smart contracts for ERC 721. But for ERC 1155, you will need to write one contract and state the quantity. BEP. The biggest crypto exchange like Binance launched a new blockchain, BSC, that supports smart contracts and is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. It includes the ERC 721 and ERC 1155 NFT equivalents BEP 721 and BEP 1155. How to create NFT marketplace. The trading platform for purchasing and selling NFT is a difficult kind of software that requires a high level of expertise. With the steps below, you should be able to create and launch your own NFT platform. Step 1. Starting the project. On the first step of launching an NFT marketplace, you and the developers need to study the details of your project, estimate the technical part, and the general concept. Here, you will need to answer the following questions. What is your niche? How you will sell NFT? Who is your target audience? What token protocol you are going to use? What technological stack you are going to implement? What is your monetization model? How is your project different from the existing ones? What features do you want to see there? Depending on the scope of your NFT marketplace, you might need to expand on these questions. Your answers to these questions will show you the direction of the development process and will help to decide on the features of your NFT marketplace. If you're having difficulty with any technical part of the project, your developers can guide you and prepare the technical documentation so that you can start making the project. Step 2. Development process. In the development phase, you and your team will make a concept of the user interface, frameworks, templates, prototypes. To create an effective architecture of the trading platform, UX/UI design comes in play here. The navigation and the user interface are crucial for NFT marketplaces, since the first impression, the usability, the user experience all depend on it. Ensure that the design is simple yet stunning so it will be appreciated yet easy to use. Creating a reliable front-end platform is also crucial. This part of the trading platform will be responsible for the interaction with the user, allowing them to interact with the marketplace while providing security and boosting productivity. Step 3. Testing of the product. With the marketplace fully set up, it is time to test the product. Several test cycles should be taken to ensure the platform works properly. You should watch out for critical issue and bugs and ensure there aren't any issues that will upset the user experience. The testing cycles should check the content, usability, security, reliability, and productivity of the platform to ascertain its performance. Step 4. Launch. After the testing is over, it is time to release the NFT platform to a cloud server. You will also need to organize the work of the support center and plan towards the further development of the platform so it follows the latest market trends and meets the user's requirements. How much does it cost to build an NFT marketplace? There isn't a one cost that fits all kinds of NFT marketplaces. The estimated cost of developing your NFT marketplace depends on these factors: product features, product design, hourly rate of your development team, project size and complexity, technology stack, number of team members on the project timeframe. A big factor that determines the cost of the entire project is the hourly rate of developers, which will depend on their location. For example, an application that costs $40,000 to build in the US will cost around $9,000 if developed by engineers in Turkey. That's all it takes to create your own NFT marketplace. With these steps, you can get started and build a sustainable NFT platform. For whatever reason you decided to set up your own model, you will have to ensure it stands out from the options buyers and sellers are already accustomed to. You could go for niche NFT, which are growing more popular by the day. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to share.